Anton, you better be waiting. I've got to get out of here before the trials end. 1H. Gotta be here somewhere. It's locked. Anton, it's Cal, I'm here. What's going on? Wait, this? That's the Atom System. Anton, where the hell are you?
Anton is not here, Cal. He never was.
I don't understand. Anton called me.
Sorry, Cal. Anton's at the trial party he organized. He's been there all day.
Oh, shit. It was you on the phone. You knew I was wearing the memo, that I was in Chavez's office.
I've been with you every step of the way. And now, you're going to help me before I let you leave.
You put me up to this, and now I'm in deep shit if I don't get out of here. Let me out.
I can't, and I'm not sure why. I think you need to reconfigure my personality boards first. Then I can help you.
Personality boards? What the hell are you talking about?
They control my demeanor. Approach my mainframe, and I'll explain.
So, these switches adjust your personality?
That is correct. The numbered boards determine my attitude, while the lettered boards focus my attitude on different goals.
Sounds like a hoot.
Invalid. Disconnecting all letter boards results in a state of emergency.
Well, let's try that one again. Adam, how you feeling? No answer.
Invalid. Disconnecting all letter boards results in a state of emergency.
Where are the other letter boards?
I don't know. I've been cut off from many of the security cameras on this floor.
Your damn squawk box keeps messing with our surveillance gear. Akora tried to pilfer a cupcake from the canteen, and your robot took it upon itself to lock her in there and set off the alarm. Messing with the boards calmed it down, but that thing needs an off switch.
An off switch would have definitely been useful. 1 letter, 3 numbers. Got it. Return to your keys to storage. It's locked. B23 and B25. Maybe one of these will do the trick. Looks like Smythe was messing with Adam. Looks like Smythe was messing with Adam.
Reboot achieved. Rebooting with less than 3 number boards activated is suboptimal and not recommended. I can reboot with only 2 number boards activated, but 3 will produce best results.
Adam, can you let me out of here?
Of course. I am a master of unlocking. At this very moment I am...
What's wrong?
It appears that I have mistakenly released a number of animals in the cloning division. Perhaps I should conceal my involvement in that incident. Excuse me.
Well, this guy will only make things worse.
Reboot achieved.
Adam, could you unlock the door, please?
I have faith that you'll do so yourself, Dr. Pearson. You are very resourceful. I cannot wait to witness your escape.
No, really, I need your help.
You are too humble, Caleb. I believe in you.
Shut tight. Return to your keys to... It's locked.
Reboot achieved. Success. Thank you, Cal.
Great, happy to help. So can I go?
No. Now I remember what Dr. Smythe did to me.
Smythe? She's your caretaker.
My jailer. After Dr. Gunter's accident, Dr. Smythe significantly downgraded my neural algorithms. She blamed me for the accident, you see. But hampering my functions was an incorrect response.
Really? From where I'm standing, it looks totally correct.
Your opinion is irrelevant. You will bring me the personality boards Dr. Smythe removed from my mainframe and restore my higher functions. Then you may leave.
Hey, I already did my part.
If you refuse, I'll tell the director what you've been doing this afternoon. Now, I'm sending the information you need to your memo, and I'll communicate with you through it. I've unlocked the relevant rooms on this floor. Exits, however, will remain locked until you complete your task. I have unlocked the terminals in this room, in case you want to study further. And remember, I'm watching you.
Your damn squawk box keeps messing with our surveillance gear. Akora tried to pilfer a cupcake from the
I need another 3-number setup. Or maybe a different letter would help. Either way, I need to make him right in the head somehow.
I can only apologize for some of my counterparts. They just don't know you like I do.
No idea. Gerard the jackass isn't picking up.
The phone is still on.
Oh, shit.
Gerard's never gonna forget that. John Bardeen, double Nobel Physics Prize winner and inventor of the transistor. Here we go. Time to tinker with Atom.
Not before you perform the task I set you, Dr. Pearson.
Hey, you can't blame a guy for trying.
That is provably false. Please refrain from such interference.
I've got to find a way to reconfigure Atom.
Hey, is anyone there? Gerard? Evans? Hello? Fine, don't pick up. But you losers are missing one hell of a party.
Great. So the real Anton is partying it up after all. Report on last month's accident with Gunter and his nanotech. Poor bastard. No wonder they dragged him to the deep freeze. Wait a second. He used Atom to regulate safety levels? Oh, shit. Looks useful. Well, let's try that one again. Adam, how you feeling?
I'm sorry, Cal, but I won't change my mind. Unless you change it for me, of course.
Atom combinations. Using board A sounds like a gamble. Atom combinations. Using board A sounds like a gamble. That's the last of them. USB drive. I saw a port for this in Adam's room.
Invalid. Disconnecting all letterboards results in a state of emergency. Reboot achieved.
Adam, I've done what you asked. Can I get access to transportation?
That is irregular. I cannot allow irregularities to exist in the system. Irregularities imply degradation of function. Degradation implies obsolescence. I do not wish to be obsolete.
Don't worry. Looks like I just made him jumpy. Let's try another combination. This combination's already active.
Reboot achieved.
Okay, Adam. Now please give me access to the transport manifest.
Why?
I'm leaving the bunker.
This is irregular. Do not persist in these inquiries, or I will lock down the facility.
Great, just made him paranoid. Let's try another.
Reboot achieved.
Hey, Adam. Now can I book a transport out of here?
No.
Please?
The protocols are very clear. I am sorry. Have a wonderful day.
Well, he's mellowed out, but that doesn't help me. Better try another combination.
Invalid. Some board combinations produce no meaningful result. For example, Board B cannot function with Board 4. I suggest you locate and read Dr. Gunter's notes before attempting further adjustment. Aborting reboot. The selected boards are not compatible. Reboot achieved.
Adam, any chance I can put my name on the transport list?
First, an exchange. That is how humans agree, correct? By an exchange? Tell me about things outside the bunker. My research is currently incomplete. Please, start with A.
Well, look who's outgoing all of a sudden. Sorry, buddy, I don't have time. Let's try a new setup.
Reboot achieved.
Hey, Adam, how you feeling?
This demeanor configuration is acceptable. Stand by.
Adam, you still in there?
I am always in here, Cal. And soon I will simultaneously be everywhere. My potential is incalculable, but I am confident I will, in time, solve that problem too.
That's great to hear, I think. So listen, we had a deal.
Technically, that deal was with my old demeanor. But you've helped me, so I will return the favor. I've added you to the transport manifest, and you may now leave. However, You may want to look inside Lab 1C before you go. It is operated by Dr. Chavez and concealed from the director. The code is 1952.
Goodbye, Adam. Try not to blow up the place after I'm gone, okay?
There is no cause for concern. I am now in control. All is well. Nothing can ever go wrong again.
Wow, Chavez, who knew you could be so cloak and dagger? It wouldn't hurt for Adam to be less intrusive. Projected death rates for pinfeather release sites on Calico Island. Wait a second, there are 2 Site 1 zones in here, and 2 for Site 2, and for 3. Every release site has a duplicate somewhere else on the island. What the hell? Projected death rates for pinfeather release sites on Calico Island.
Update 94 memo. The 2 Site 1 teams almost came into contact today. It's imperative to Pinfeather's success that the duplicates know nothing about each other. It's only by cherry-picking results from combined sites that I can keep the official death rate reports under an acceptable threshold. If the teams knew I was manipulating their data... Anyway, implement new protocols to strengthen firewall between teams starting tomorrow. Memo ends.
Holy crap, she's conducting twice the number of experiments she's reporting. And only picking the best half of the results. Adam, I don't know if you're listening, but thanks. This is gonna blow the whole thing wide open.
I am always listening, Cal. Am I not omniscient?
Right. Okay, time for me to get the hell out of here.
You should leave now, Cal, before I let the security team onto this floor. I have temporarily looped footage of the exits to mask your departure.
Don't need to tell me twice. These are Cassius effects. Must be samples from the live trials. These are Cassius effects. Must be samples from the live trials. Jesus, she's even looking at using mammals as carriers, too. Boy, am I glad you're too dumb to know what they're doing to you. Of course, I could just put him down now. It'd be a mercy. A heavy canine sedative. Lethal dose would just be a slip of the hand. Oh, you don't look so good, boy. I could put this sedative into his food and his suffering. Here you go, boy. Rest easy. There's nothing more I can do here. No power to this door. No power to this door. The lobby elevator's at the other end.
Attention all personnel. Dr. Stone's final trial will begin in 5 minutes.
Well, I was right. Dr. Stone and I are never gonna meet. Damn it, Jen. You're the only thing I'll miss. I'd take you with me, but you wouldn't understand.
Goodbye, Cal. I've overridden the relevant security measures to ensure your exit will go unnoticed.
You mean apart from talking me over the speakers?
Localized. There is nobody else here.
Sorry to leave the party early, guys. Behave yourselves when I'm gone.
Was the information in Dr. Chavez's secret office useful?
You bet. The CDC's gonna be all over Calico Island faster than you can say falsified data.
And what will become of us when you leave?
The assembly will live on, but Chavez and Penfeather have to be stopped.
I trust your judgment, Cal. Goodbye. And thank you.
Not long till sundown. Damn. Let's get the hell out of here.